Step 1, remove factory supercharger pulley. Step 2, install supercharger conversion pulley and hub. What? With the rise in popularity of the Hellcat to LS and LT superchargers, we thought we'd supplement the instructions today with how to remove the factory blower pulley and install the new hub and pulley for our kit. The tools you'll need today are a pick for getting the cap off the stock blower pulley, 3/8 drive ratchet, 6-inch extension, 13mm socket including a swivel 13mm, quarter drive or an inch-pound torque wrench, a 3/8 drive foot-pounds torque wrench, a 1-inch crow's foot for torquing the new hub, blue Loctite, and the Metco HPT 1000 and 2000 tools for disassembling the blower snout. With your T30 Torx, we're going to remove all of the lid bolts first. With all the lid bolts removed, you'll lift from the back first on the lid to separate the gasket, and then remove the bypass from the bypass cuff. Next, we'll remove the bypass cuff and the map sensor with a shallow T30 Torx. Next, with a 13mm, we'll remove the 6 bolts holding the blower snout on. In this upper right hand, you'll need a swivel socket to get to that. Now, there are 2 dowels that hold the snout to the blower case, as well as 8 bushings to the blower coupling that make this a real pain in the ass to get off sometimes. You may need to pry or use some muscle to get it loose. After some manhandling, the snout comes loose and you can wiggle it free. Once this comes free, keep track of the bushings from the coupler and put them back in their place. With the blower snout off, we'll attach the Metco pin holding tool to our case. Align it to a case hole, add the nut and bolt. Now we'll move this assembly to the bench vise for getting the actual pulley off the snout. Next, with a pick, we'll remove the factory dust cap. And then with the Metco tool and a 15/16 socket, we'll loosen the factory pulley. Now, depending on which application you have, you'll get different length hubs. If you have our LS kit, since we use the LSA offset front accessories, you'll get a shorter hub. If you have our LT, which aligns to LT4 Camaro, you'll get a longer hub. Install the hub with blue Loctite. This torques to 70 foot-pounds, which you'll need a 1-inch crow's foot for. Next, you'll install the pulley with the 10 4mm cap screws. We'll torque these to 27 pounds in a crisscross pattern with blue Loctite. Now we're ready to put this back on, but with a new gasket. Double check that your bushings are in the coupler and align the pins to install the snout. Install the 6 M8 snout bolts and torque to 26 foot-pounds. Torque these in a crisscross pattern like a 6-lug wheel. Next, we'll install the bypass cuff. Make sure the seal is intact. Bypass cuff bolts torque to 7 foot-pounds. Reinstall the map sensor. And finally, we'll install the lid with a new gasket, and keep an eye on the 3 small O-rings on the center fastener. So in reverse order of when we took it off, we'll install the bypass cuff first and then lay the back on. Install the 5 long bolts in the center and the 16 perimeter bolts. Because the torque spec's so light, be easy with your impact drawing these down first pass. Now we'll tighten these in order according to the manufacturer's recommended sequence shown here. We'll torque these in 3 steps at 75, 90, and 112 inch-pounds. So that's the process for installing the hub and pulley on the Hellcat blower for our LS or LT swap. For more helpful tips, visit ICTbillet.com and max your swap.